How to use YouTube Studio to manage your channel. So first of all, let's open YouTube Studio. Make sure that you're logged into your channel right here. After doing that, here you can see this is the dashboard that we have. In here you'll be able to see all of the things that you have in your channel. If you tap on content, here you'll be able to see all of the content that you have posted. In here, if you tap on this one, we have a lot of filters that you can see right here. In here you can now filter out all of the things that you want to see, and like that you'll be able to use this content option. If you tap on analytics right here, now you will be able to view all of the detailed analytics of your channel. Here we have the option of content. This first one is overview, audience, and also the trend. Like this, you'll be able to make your channel more efficient. And in here we have the option of community, from which you can now create your own YouTube community. So if you want to, here you can see you can create your community and let yourself know what your audience actually wants. And in here, if you tap on the earn option right here, from here you can now know if you are eligible to earn from YouTube yet or not. Here you can see I'm still not eligible, and in here if you are earning from YouTube, you'll be able to see all of your incomes right in here. And like that, you'll be able to use YouTube Studio to manage your channel. And that's it. How to sell products through WhatsApp catalog. So for that, open your WhatsApp business, and then from here tap on tools, then tap on catalog. After doing that, tap on add new item, then add in the photos or videos of your item, just like this. I have one. Tap on tick, then you'll have to name this item. So I'm going to name it just like this. After doing that, here if you want to, you can add the descriptions of this item, and then you'll need to select the country of your origin. And if you want to hide this item, you can enable this or else disable it, and then tap on save. After doing that, here you can see it is currently saving the item. And now whenever the customer wants to chat with you, there will be a shopping cart icon. When they tap on that, they will be able to see all of your catalogs just like this. And that's it.